Hi students, let us discuss two previous board exam questions in this video. See first one, find integral 2 power x plus 1 minus 5 power x minus 1 by 10 power x dx. Let us discuss solution of this one. Given integral is equal to integral 2 power x plus 1 minus 5 power x minus 1 by 10 power x dx. If we observe the numerator two terms, each term is in the form of a power m plus n. So a power m plus n can be written as a power m into a power n. So based on this identity, how we can write our numerator? See in the next step. Integral 2 power x into 2 minus 5 power x into 5 power minus 1 by denominator 10 can be written as 2 into 5 whole power x dx. Now, if we observe the denominator part is in the form of ab whole power m. So, ab whole power m can be written as a power m into b power m. So, based on this identity, how we can write? See here in the next step. Integral 2 power x into 2 minus 5 power x into 5 power minus 1 by 2 power x into 5 power x dx. Now divide each term of numerator with denominator. Then what we will get? See here in the next step. Integral 2 power x into 2 by 2 power x into 5 power x minus 5 power x into 5 power minus 1 by 2 power x into 5 power x dx. If we observe here, from the first term, from the numerator and the denominator, 2 power x term get cancelled. And in the second term, from the numerator and the denominator, 5 power x get cancelled. Then what are the remaining terms? See here in the next step. Integral 2 by 5 power x minus 5 power minus 1 by 2 power x dx. Now, by using basic properties of indefinite integrals, I am going to apply individual integrals. Then what we will get? See here in the next step. 2 into integral 1 by 5 power x dx minus 5 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 5 into integral 1 by 2 power x dx. So if you observe in this step, in both the integrals, the integrand is in the form of 1 by a power x. So 1 by a power x can be written as a power minus x. So by using this identity, what you can write? See here in the next step. 2 into integral 5 power minus x dx minus 1 by 5 into integral 2 power minus x dx. So we know the standard integral formulas. If we observe in this step, in both the integrals, the given integrand is in the form of a power bx plus c dx. So we know the standard formula for integral a power bx plus c dx. So by using this standard integral formula, what we can write? See here in the next step. 2 into 5 power minus x by minus log 5 minus 1 by 5 into 2 power minus x by minus log 2 plus c. So just I applied this standard integral formula in both the integrals. If we simplify this one, then the final step is 1 by 5 into 2 power minus x by log 2 minus 2 into 5 power minus x by log 5 plus c. So this is the final answer for the given integral. I hope you understand this problem. Let us discuss one more problem. See here, find integral 1 by root x plus x dx. Let us discuss solution of this one. Given integral is equal to integral 1 by root x plus x dx. Now, in the given integrand, from the denominator, the second part is x. So, x can be written as root x whole square. If you write x is equal to root x whole square, then what we will get? See here in the next step. Integral 1 by root x plus root x whole square dx. Now, from the denominator part of the integrand, we can take root x common. So if we take root x common from the denominator, what we will get? See here in the next step, integral 1 by root x into 1 plus root x dx. Now, in this integrand, from the denominator, root x term, we will write on numerator. Then how it will change? See here in the next step, integral 1 by root x by 1 plus root x dx. Now, substitute some part of integrand as another variable such that its differentiation exists in the integral. So, put 1 plus root x is equal to t. Differentiate this one with respect to x. Then the derivative of 1 is 0 and the derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x and the derivative of t is dt by dx. So what we will get? See here, 1 by 2 root x is equal to dt by dx. If we cross multiply this one, what we will get? See here, 1 by root x dx is equal to 2 dt. Now we will substitute this term and this term in the given integral. Then what we will get? See here, integral 1 by t into 2 dt. Because 1 by root x dx become 2 dt and 1 plus root x is a t. That's why we got this step. By using basic properties of indefinite integrals, the constant 2 we will write outside of integral. Then what we will get? See here, 2 into integral 1 by t dt. We know the standard integral formula. Integral 1 by x dx is nothing but log modulus of x plus c. So by using this standard integral formula, what we will get? See here in the next step, 2 log modulus of t plus c. Now replace the new variable by the original variable in the answer. What is the new variable? T. What is the original variable? 1 plus root x. So in t place, I'm going to substitute 1 plus root x. Then what we will get? See here in the final step, 2 log modulus of 1 plus root x plus c. So this is the final answer for the given integral. If we observe in this step, without doing this much lengthy process, we can apply the standard formula which we discussed in the previous videos. What is the standard formula? Integral f dash x by f of x dx is equal to log modulus of f of x plus c. So if we apply this formula from this step, then we will get the same answer. I hope you understand these two problems.